Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And now, percentage problem naman po tuturo ko sa inyo dahil hindi po ito nawawala pagdating sa exam. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin makuha yung sagot na mabilisan. Dahil when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. Okay, so let's solve and analyze these two problems. What is 30% of half of 160? Learn to analyze the problem before answering. Para hindi po tayo malito. So dito sa problem natin, ilan daw ang 30% ng half ng 160? So therefore, ang half ng 160 ay 80. Okay. At 30% daw dito, yun na po yung sagot. So multiply lang po natin 30%. Okay. And take note of this pag sinabing percentage per 100 po yan. So multiply po natin. Bring down lang natin yung dalawang zero. 8 times 3 is 24. Dahil nagsabi ko, pag percentage per 100, kaya yung decimal niyan ay dalawa. Okay, take note of that. Therefore, the answer is 24. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Okay, in number 2 naman tayo. A liter of pineapple juice is 14% sugar and 23% artificial flavoring. What is the volume in milliliters of the natural flavoring? Okay, some technical dito, pag mga itong problem, itinatranslate ko into Tagalog para mas maintindihan ko yung tanong. Dito ang sabi niya, a liter of pineapple juice, meaning, nitong a liter, 1 liter. Meron daw 14% na sugar at 23% na artificial flavoring. At ang hinahanap, volume in milliliters of the natural flavoring, meaning yung walang flavor. So, illustrate ko para mas maintindihan po natin. For example, ito po yung 1 liter ng pineapple juice. Since milliliters yung hinahanap, yung 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. At 14% daw dyan ay sugar. At 23% daw dyan ay artificial flavoring. Meaning, 37% ang may flavor. Pinag-add lang po natin yung 14 and 23. Pero ang question dito, hinahanap daw yung natural flavoring. Kung 37% yung may flavor, meaning 63% yung walang flavor. Dahil yun yung hinahanap para maging 100%. Okay, so kunin lang po natin yung 63% ng 1,000 at yun na po yung sagot. Dahil 63% yung natural flavoring. So multiply lang po natin yan ng 0.63. Okay. Bring down natin yung tatlong 0. 1, 2, 3. 63 times 1 is equal to 63. Ilan po yung decimal? Dalawa. Okay. 1 to that percentage per 100. Therefore, the answer is 630 milliliters. Letter C. Yun po yung technique. Ang technique po, i-analyze po na natin yung problem at wag po tayo mo overwhelm dun po sa question. Tingnan po natin yung word na ginagamit para mas maintindihan po natin at mas makuha po natin yung sagot. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless.